Mga kaibigan, thank you so much to all of you, especially to hear my sentiment and value that I have in my life, mga kaibigan, as and even in my status right now. So, pabayaan muna kasi we have no enough money to buy a split type of an aircon that we are using right now, an electric fan, which is the cliff fan, mga kaibigan, in life. Mga kaibigan, I just to talk to you here right now. It is because of I am not an expert. By the way, I am not an expert here, mga kaibigan, to say about this. But I would like to see all of you here, mga kaibigan, especially for those people who are not understand by Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. But I would like to reiterate you from these informations, or all of these informations, mga kaibigan, to you, that there is a lot of people around the world that they could not to understand by Bisaya and Tagalog. But I tried my best to say in English even in the wrong grammar, mga kaibigan, because I am not a grammarian, I am not an expert, by the way. Mga kaibigan, in order to address and to answer a little bit of an idea regarding of this through my research, to my asking about that, there is a lot of questions here, mga kaibigan. There is a lot of questions here that I would like to reiterate this, all of these questions and informations here in the one video right now. The first questions, it's all about the index corruptions in our country, and the style, or the what do you mean is that, mga kaibigan. I would like to reiterate this right now. And also, what is the kilometer zero in our country, and the oldest mohons, or the mother and the father of mohons all over the country, mga kaibigan. So, mga kaibigan, I would like to say all of these things to you, mga kaibigan. That our country, that we reach up in the year of 2019, and in the CFI, in the Corruption Perception Index, mga kaibigan, I would like to say about this. In 2019, it's all about 99%, mga kaibigan. But try to research in the recent year right now, mga kaibigan, that out of 114 countries, we have in the 114. And out of 100%, we gain for 30%, 33% about that. And the Corruption Perception Index, how the Philippines being a corrupt country around the world. If the status of the living of the Filipino people here in the Human Development Index, and the high of the Human Development Index, so the status of the people, especially in the poor, mga kaibigan. So, you can see all of this, how the rampant corruptions and the worst corruption in our country, mga kaibigan. And mga kaibigan, just to understand about this, because there is a lot of people around the earth that they do not understand how the corruptions being worse and rampant by our politicians here in the country. That the politics, in the name of politics, is the big business of an individuals that being funded, mga kaibigan, by illegals, illegal activities, and cartel, and many others outside, terrorism, mga kaibigan, in order to gain in that kinds of businesses in the country here in the Philippines. That the first in the history of the country, the most developed and progressive country before is the Philippines. But now, we are going to be backward, at malapit na tayong mahuhulog sa bangin ng korupsyon ng ito, mga kaibigan. Na wala po, mga kaibigan. There is a lot of people right now who they don't have business, but it's gain for millions in their pocket, and their properties being invest, mga kaibigan, in the business of the politics. And to be continue, mga kaibigan, and another questions. The old reference in the Philippines, in the geodetic reference and the geographical informations, mga kaibigan, was in the face of the small cement in the country. Doon po nang gagaling. Nasa Marinduque po, mga kaibigan, yung tinatawag, they called a Luzon Datum of 1911. All the geographical longitude and many others, mga kaibigan, was being established here in the country. It was in the Marinduque or Luzon Datum, mga kaibigan, of 1911. And also, the kilometer zero was being established, the oldest city here in the country, which is in the Marawi, here in the Mindanao. And the one of this in Cebu, in Visayas, and also in Lonita, in Manila, mga kaibigan. So, there are 3 here in the country. I hope so you can adopt this type of informations, mga kaibigan, that all the kilometer zero that you can see in beside of our road right now here in the country, mga kaibigan, there is a kilometer zero was being established. So, kilometer zero in Mindanao was established in the oldest city in the country, in Marawi, before, at right now, at the present. And also, there is one in Cebu and in Lonita, in Manila. All over the country, the kilometer zero point was 3. Marawi, Cebu, and the Lonita. And also, mga kaibigan, the oldest are the mother and the father of the Mohon of the land in the country, in all types of the Mohon, mga kaibigan. In the geodetic, mga kaibigan, it is a geodetic reference, was established on Luzon Datum in the face of the cement, and Luzon Datum of 1911 was in the Marinduque, mga kaibigan. Nasa Marinduque ho yun. That's all the geographical or the GPS informations was dyan po nang gagaling. I hope so.